Here's my tips for applying foundation and making it last all day. DCYPHER uses AI technology to create a unique foundation and concealer recipe that's mixed to your exact skin tone. This is your perfect skin in a bottle. Great skincare is vital for making your makeup last all day. Great makeup starts with great skin and then primer, providing a great canvas to stop your makeup slipping or smudging. And then of course, DCYPHER's complexion brush set. Using quality makeup brushes are key when applying foundation and concealer to making it last all day. And DCYPHER's brushes are really great quality and so easy to use. And this is my custom foundation. And it's really important to layer the product to make it last all day. Let me show you how. Starting with a couple of drops, apply all over the skin and another couple of drops, layered over your first initial coat, making sure to blend really well. DCYPHER Custom Foundation is the world's first mix-to-measure cosmetic. AI algorithms create a custom skin tone recipe to create your perfect skin in a bottle. And you can select your preferred coverage and finish to create a truly personalised product that's completely unique to you. It's so lightweight and breathable. And what I also love is that it contains glycerin, great for hydration. It's vegan, cruelty-free and fragrance-free. We've evened out our skin tone with the foundation, now onto the concealer. Again, so important to layer that product. Really does help keep the makeup on all day. And then some loose powder to lock it in a little bit more. I mean, everything's gone. No redness, no pigmentation, no dark circles. DCYPHER's foundation and concealer matches your skin tone perfectly. And then finishing off with setting spray to keep that makeup lasting all day. I mean, it's just a perfect match, and I can be guaranteed of a perfect finish and colour match every time I apply my makeup. So easy to use and such a lovely, fresh, natural finish. And really, it's my skin, but better. So there's no more worries with colour matching your foundation and your concealer. Perfect for those no makeup days. It's just so easy, and with a few simple tips, your makeup can last all day.